Hello students, welcome to our today's class. Our today's subject is EVS and the topic is personal cleanliness. Students, you may be familiar with the word cleanliness, right? You know the meaning of cleanliness? Yes, you have your mummy, then in school, you all are taught that what is cleanliness. You should keep your surroundings clean. You should keep your house clean, right? You should keep your school clean. This was the cleanliness that you were taught. But today, we are going to learn the personal cleanliness. How to keep ourselves clean. So, let's learn what is personal cleanliness. And before starting, what is personal cleanliness? I want to show you some things which are used in personal cleanliness. Okay, so now I will show you the things. Students, these are the things which are used to keep ourselves clean, right? Okay, so this is Colgate. We use this as a toothpaste to brush our teeth. This is toothbrush, right? Then this is soap. This is oil. This is comb. This is towel. This is handkerchief. This is nail cutter. And this is sanitizer. So these things are used in personal cleanliness. Okay. Now one by one I'll explain to you the use of these things. Students, these are the things which are used to keep ourselves clean, right? Okay, so this is Colgate. We use this as a toothpaste to brush our teeth. This is toothbrush, right? Then this is soap. This is oil. This is comb. This is towel. This is handkerchief. This is nail cutter. And this is sanitizer. So these things are used in personal cleanliness. Okay. Now one by one I'll explain to you the use of these things. Students, you know a clean body is a healthy body. So our daily routine starts from morning. When you get up early in the morning, what is the first activity you do? Yes, you go towards the bathroom and you take toothpaste and toothbrush. You brush your teeth with the toothpaste and brush. So you should always brush your teeth when you get up in the morning. Understood? Then next thing what you do? After brushing your teeth, the next thing is you should wash your face. What you should do? You should wash your face because after washing your face, you feel fresh, right? You feel fresh. Then after washing your face, the next thing you should do is you should always go to the toilet, right? In the morning, you should put habit to go to the toilet. And after using the toilet, you should flush the toilet, right? After coming from the toilet, you should wash your hands with soap, right? With hand wash, or you should use sanitizer. What you should use? Sanitizer. When you are using washroom in schools or somewhere out, you should always use sanitizer, or you can also carry hand wash. Okay. Then the next thing that we do is we take bath, right? We take bath. So the thing used for bath is we should use clean soap. We should use clean soap. We should not use the only one soap which is used by the other person. Everyone should have each one's different soap. So you should use your own soap. Okay, you should use your soap and you should use clean water to take bath. After taking bath, will you wear clothes on your wet body? No. You should use a clean towel. See, this is a towel. So you should use clean towel to wipe your body. Then students, after having bath, you should always wear clean clothes. You should always wear clean clothes which are washed every day, right? After that, you should comb your hairs using the comb. You should comb your hairs using the comb. Then you should have your breakfast, right? So when you have your breakfast, you will get energy to work, to play and do so many activities. So the morning breakfast is very important for healthy body. So you should always eat healthy breakfast. Understood? Now students, here I am having nail cutter. What is this? Nail cutter. Every Sunday you should cut your nails. You should bite your nails? Wrong. You should cut your nails using this nail cutter. Not every day, but every Sunday. Right? You should cut your nails of the fingers and also your toes nails. Okay? So you should cut your nails using the nail cutter. Students, whenever you go out or whenever you go to school, you should always carry a handkerchief. Right? Because you need handkerchief to wipe your hands. For example, if you are having a cold, you are having a cough, then you can use the handkerchief to cover your nose and your mouth. So, you should never forget to carry your handkerchief with you. Okay? Students, one thing you should always remember that when you eat food, you should always gargle your mouth using water. Right? Because the food we eat, the small particles of food are left in our mouth. So that may damage our teeth. Right? So you should always gargle your mouth using water after eating the food. Students, all these things which we saw now in the lesson are very important for our personal cleanliness and also to keep our body healthy. So we should maintain these things in their proper places so that we find easy to find out these things on the next day. So you should keep all these things in their proper places. Okay. Now the next topic is rest and play. Students, you should have enough exercise daily. You should have enough exercise daily. You should do simple exercise every day to keep yourself fit and healthy, right? Then whenever you go out to play and after coming at home, you should always wash your hands. You should always wash your feet, right? And then you should do the other work. You should eat your food. But without washing your hands, if you will eat, those germs will enter in your body. Understood? So don't forget to wash your hands and feet whenever you return home. Okay. Then at night, before going to bed, you should always brush your teeth. And after brushing your teeth, you should go to sleep. But you should sleep early in the night so that you will get up early in the morning. And you should always use night dress, clean night dress. You should not sleep on the clothes on which you have played, right? Which you have worn outside. You should not use that clothes. You should use night dress while sleeping. So remember all these things because all these things are very helpful and important to keep our body healthy. Okay?
Cleanliness of the body. We must keep our body clean for good health. Cleanliness prevents diseases and makes us feel fresh. Now let's see some good habits for a healthy body. 1. Do not oversleep. Get up early in the morning. 2. Go to the toilet. Flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands and feet with soap. Splash cool water on your eyes. Remove the dirt from the corner of your eyes. 3. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth well. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. Brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. 4. Take a bath every day with soap and water. Wash your hair too. Girls with long hair should wash their hair at least once a week. 5. Use a clean towel to wipe your body and hair dry. Comb your hair neatly. 6. Always wear clean and tidy clothes. See to it that your clothes do not get dirty. Always carry a clean handkerchief. 7. Do not put your fingers in your mouth or bite your nails, as the dirt collected below the nails will enter your stomach. Then you will fall ill. Nails should be cut at least once a week. 8. Clean your ears